Hello everyone. I'm going to show you in this tutorial how to get your models with the maps correctly into Keyshot out of Rhino 3D. There's an issue that when you export out of Rhino, that only mapping channel 1 seems to come in correctly into Keyshot. Remember this tray from last time? The fronts of these boxes and the blue color were the first things I mapped on each object. So if you go over here, you can see that those came in correctly, the blue and the front faces. But the tops, the front lip, and the sides do not, because those are mapping channel 2. So anyway, the easiest way is when you're originally mapping, you want to select everything. This is before you've mapped anything, and hit explode. And explode, what that does is it separates each object into separate surfaces, and each surface is its own object now. You can always regroup them if you need to move them together, but in this case we just want to be able to get the maps in there correctly. So now that it's exploded, like I say, originally you want to remap it, or just initially map it using all mapping channel 1. And now that it's separate objects, that's not an issue. But now that we have this and we don't want to remap everything, all you really have to do is reapply the map and you get this dialog box. So I just drag this front lip back to the front lip here. It's the same one. And this dialog comes up and you want to say that no, you do not want to keep these per face material assignments. So I'm going to hit no. Then you just have to make sure you're grabbing the right ones. Now we don't have to worry about the front faces of the boxes. We do have to worry about the tops of the boxes. So here's the top of this first box. Now you can pre-select things. Yeah. So I have these pre-selected. You go over here, right click, assign to objects. You want to hit no. Same thing over here. Now this is a different map. Oop, missed that one. So come down here, right click, assign to objects. No. You want to make sure the front lip. Right click, assign to objects. And this. And this. And those are the pattern side. Here it is. Clicking too fast. Assign to objects, no. And it should remember all the mapping and everything. We went to everything that was mapping channel 2, put the map back on it, and click that no checkbox. Now, if we go up here to export, oh, well, I want to select everything, because we want everything to go over to Keyshot. Export selected. Now I always use FBX. FBX is under Motion Builder. Now I'm going to call this PDQ3. Hit save. There's a dialog that comes up. I have this set to meshes, Lambert, version 7 binary, and hit OK. Now these are all simple objects, so I have the fewer polygons and subdivision low. I think in general you want to keep this as low as you can. Hit OK. And there, it saved the file. Now, this is what it was before I resaved those maps. So I'm going to go to New File, Discard. Now, we saved this one as PDQ3. So, Import. I think that was under PDQ1, PDQ3. Import. And it should be correct. Yep. So now the maps are correct, the 3D model is correct, everything should be correct. Thank you very much.